This is Ed Fullman. I'm CEO of Foxtrot Code, and I'm also author of this app, which we call a Foxpatch in Foxtrot Code land. And a Foxpatch is a data application that takes raw data, refines it through a process, and then makes it available to something else. In this case, the Cincinnati crime incident Foxpatch is the feed to the map that you see on the Foxtrot Code website that's labeled Cincinnati Crime Incidents. And that map is produced hourly. It's a report. It is generated by this Foxpatch running, grabbing data from the city of Cincinnati, taking the last 7 days, deduping case information, doing some cosmetic fixes to the street name, then through a process that I developed, look up the location data for the street, actually at the block level to keep it private, and then lay that down onto the event, and then make sure that we only use events that had a successful location data lookup, extract the time and clean that up and make it pretty, fill in any empty fields so we don't end up with a problem trying to plot stuff and so forth. Then extract the latitude and longitude and clean that up. And then finally build a description, which is the little blue marker that pops up on those maps, and then essentially format the map. Now, this might look a little complex to someone who hasn't looked at one of our apps before. You could have dozens, hundreds of these elements strung together. The string represents the flow of the data, and these are what we call reducers. They're designed primarily to reduce the data down. So select and access data, then reduce it to only the last 7 days, and then these are called refactors, and these icons can be used to do all sorts of different kinds of transformations, manipulations, machine learning, statistics, and so forth. And that's what they do here. They're doing all that and more to produce the final Foxpatch. As you can see up here in the upper left, this is where you actually grab these reducers and refactors. You pull a reduce down and then do something like select an index, and then at that point you can actually pick up the Cincinnati Crime Index and work with it. So this is an example of that Foxpatch. Just so you kind of understand the process, the whole intent here with Foxtrot Code is that you don't need to know how to do, like, for example, this lookup process. Relatively complicated, actually. You can actually use this Foxpatch and just build right off of it. So, for example, you could bring a new Foxpatch onto the screen. And connect right off the end here to this particular refactor. And start a whole new branch going this way. This could be a whole new Foxpatch, and basically what would happen is all of this could be ignored. Or you could have placed it at the end or somewhere down here and picked it up, done some more work, and then rendered the map. So the point here is there's nothing faster than not starting from scratch. And with the marketplace, you can do that. So you could just go out to the marketplace, find this actual Foxpatch, download it for free, edit it, create whatever you want with it, and then list the Foxpatch as a new Foxpatch. We'll take care of making sure that whoever you combine stuff with is taken care of, so that at checkout, if everybody wanted to get paid, everyone gets paid. And that's the way the process works. That's all for today. Thanks a lot.